ears, and he's an indoor dog.
That's wild.
Yeah. It's just crazy.
Ew.
It's just crazy that he's an indoor dog. There's no dirt around for him to get dirty, and yet I have to do this. So these make it super nice and convenient, and he doesn't mind it. And I like the fact that there's no alcohol in it, and it's aloe vera, which is totally soothing for anyone's skin.
Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Okay, can you sit down? Sit down. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, yes, Mama's cleaning your ears. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Isn't that nice? I feel good. Oh, feels good, huh? Look at all that. Yeah, we do. We got your ears all clean.